All right. Overspray on my face, paint my beard, but that's a good thing, right? So the chassis is 98% painted. I'm going to shoot it again tomorrow night, but this is where it's at right now. The front half of it, basically from the firewall forward, I know is 100%, so I've already started putting some stuff in there. But there it is, gloss black. Got the sway bar put in tonight, got the arms sitting on it. The master cylinder mounted over there, got the brake pedal in. And already marking bolts, tightening stuff up. Put a little green line on them so they know they're done. So tomorrow night, I'll go ahead and shoot. There's some stuff in the middle here I gotta shoot. And then I gotta crawl underneath and do a little bit. But the radiator's in, it'll stay in from now on, it'll stay in there. And as it dries the rest of the way, we can start putting it together the rest of the way. So we still have to tackle this project here, which is no big deal. It's just, you know, clean and paint, little buff and wax. They'll be good as new, just like a used car lot. And then we got parts over here drying. Again, I put another coat on all this stuff today, so that that'll look nice and shiny and gloss. But that's where we're at. So we're gonna, I think, so supposedly Friday, all the powder coating is done. Everything that I have that I have dropped off. There is more stuff here, but I think I'm gonna have my buddy Tom do some of it. I also know that Maddie Moon works for a place that does powder coating, so I might actually reach out to her too. I got a bunch of small stuff that needs to get done, and it's all detailed things, and it can be done at a later date. But there's going to be some more titanium involved. There's going to be the new color, which is freaking epic. I can't wait to show you guys the new color. I don't like keeping secrets of all, you know, big reveals and all that, but I definitely want to wait until it's wrapped for you guys to see that, because I think it's going to be pretty fucking rad. It's a throwback, I'll give you that. So yeah, anyway, that's where we're at. So we're just going to keep thrashing on it, and I'm going to work every day this week on it at night. I'm even going to work on it on Easter. And I think, and Eric had mentioned that he possibly could come over on Sunday. Jared came over last night, helped a bunch. Tom came over. He doesn't help. He just fucking comes up with ideas and talks, but I love having him here. So I'm going to reach out to a couple other guys and maybe see if I can get another set of hands or two over here, because there's all the Heim joints need to be cleaned up really good. The kids got both front shocks are clean, so rear shocks need to get clean still. So we'll get there, but I really want to have, my goal is possibly by Sunday night this thing was sitting on wheels and tires. That would be pretty freaking cool. I'd be pretty stoked to see that. I can't believe I'm putting this thing to the side to put the Chevelle together. I absolutely hate stopping on a project. I like to see it all the way through, but I also don't want to reach burnout on this. And my son is just hounding me to get that car together. It is so close. So we'll get this a roller. We'll pull the Chevelle in, make it run and drive, have some fun with it for a while. And then get Isabel's Jr. in here, get that thing dialed up as well. And then we'll get back on to this. And the weather will be better too. So they do both fit in here, but it's too tight. I don't want to freaking door ding my car or something like that. So anyway, that's where we're at. We'll thrash on it again tomorrow. Okay, so the roof is sitting here. It's ready to go to vinyl. All the other parts are powder coated. Links, rear sway bar arms, all of those links. The coolant or oil container box is done, powder coated. All these pieces are powder coated. Trailing arms, fuel cell container, cross member, motor mount, steering mounts, everything for the steering, gas pedal. All that stuff is done. Things are happening super fast. So right now we're slamming on the race Jeep, and we don't have much time because we're filming this on Easter and we just fired at the barbecue. So this is where we're at right now, and this is our goal. So Tucker right now is getting stuff set up to get the front jack stands moved out of the way so we can put the Dana 60 that is sitting here ready to rock in. 14 bolts back there painted to go in. Trailing arms are sitting in the chassis right now. So I need to come over here and take the wrapping off of all these links, get those joints in, get the bump stop cans and ICs. Tucker will get those put in. He's got 2 more of them sitting over there that are ready to go. Get those anti-seized. So we're gonna try to get all of that in. we're just trying to get it a roller. We're not even putting nuts on the bolts right now because all these bolts are actually getting replaced anyway. But we're gonna get it hopefully today, or at least in this video, which will be today, which is oh yeah, today's Easter. I think I already mentioned that. That's our goal. Front diff in, rear diff in. We're not worried about hooking up sway bars or anything like that. Get some wheels and tires on there, a couple lug nuts per wheel, and just get it on the ground so it rolls. And then that'll be a huge achievement in this build. So we'll set up on the old time lapse skis and get rolling. So our goal was met. We nailed it. Got a roller like we wanted to. So before I flip the camera around and show you guys, yesterday we went wheeling in our CJ7 with several hundred other friends and tons of rigs in support of a family and a friend of ours that we lost. So we're gonna end the video with a little tribute to him and a pretty cool clip of his best friend in his rig. So I'll show you this, and then that's we're gonna end it off. So there's our beater. It's a roller again. So I'll do a little fab work. Probably do one more video, some fab work on this, and then we're gonna switch gears, and we're gonna start getting going on that Chevelle. So just like everything else, definitely don't know enough, but we know enough to do it wrong, and we're definitely not professionals. So rest easy, Austin. Shit is getting rowdy. Chance, yeah, he's got some broken shit. Jason's trying to make this line. Noggle just made it. You got a cheering squad up here. Look at all of these fucking people. All the way through the woods everywhere. Jason, hit it with your purse. Hit it with your purse. Come on. See if we can talk him into it. Oh, baby. Oh, he's through the hole. Oh, dude, he had looked down in that hole. Yeah, that's a good one. That's Austin's rig, for people that don't know. Fred Patton's driving it. Got it up here for his kid. Good job, Fred. And everybody else that was involved to get it here. Check out that hillside. Martinson's flipped over up there right now. Austin's rig just got fucking sent with his kid in the co-driver's seat.